We are looking at how to pronounce these two words, as well as how to say more confusing but interesting vocabulary in English. Stay tuned to learn more. The top word designates a material, something that is compact and quite heavy. Dense. Dense is how it's said. Now the bottom word is said rather differently in British English or American English. In British English it's said as dance. Dance. Okay, so it's more open R sound. Dance. That's obviously when you're dancing in a nightclub, for example. Now the Americans say it as dance. Dance, which sounds a lot like the top word. Dance. Dance is how the Americans say dancing. Dancing is how they call it. Okay, so the top word is dance. The bottom word is a dance or dance. And now you know, I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments, like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.